What is up, guys? In today's video I am going to show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So this is the easiest way to add a link to your TikTok bio, and even if you don't have 1000 followers, I am going to show you how to get 1000 followers in 1 minute. Yes guys, 1 minute. And if you watch this video, I am also going to show you something that you have never seen. So let's get started right now. So if you want to add the link to your TikTok bio, you have to, the first thing you need to do is you want to click at the three little dots in the top right corner. So after you click at the three little dots in the top right corner, you want to click settings and privacy. So the second option, click settings and privacy, and you want to select the first option, which is manage account. Just click manage account, and then you want to you can see here, if like under account control here, you can see switch to business account. That's exactly what you want to do. You want to switch to business account. Don't worry guys, if you don't have 1000 followers, I'm going to show you how to get 1000 followers. So you want to click switch to business account, and here you can follow some steps here. TikTok is going to just tell you about how it's going to change from personal to business, like stuff like that. Just all you have to do guys is just click next, and then select what category you are interested in, or your business, or what your business is all about. Or you can just select anything guys. For example, I'm going to select gaming and click next. So when you click next, now we have a professional account. Now we can add a link to our TikTok bio. So what you want to do guys, you want to click edit account or edit profile here. As you can see here guys, edit profile here. And what you want to do guys, you want to click websites here. As you can see here guys, website. If you don't have website, that means you don't have 1000 followers. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get 1000 followers. But if you have 1000 followers, just click website, and then here you can add any link you want. You can add the TikTok video, you can add the YouTube video, you can add your Instagram account, you can add your website, anything, just anything. Just click here your website, like copy the link of your website, and then type it here, and then click save in the top right corner. But if you don't have 1000 followers, I am going to show you how to get 1000 followers. So all you have to do guys is click the video in the screen right now. Just click it, but before you click it, drop a like in this video and click the video in the screen to get 1000 followers. And then if you want, come back to this video and then follow the steps to add the link to your TikTok bio. So I hope this video helped you. Have a good day.